Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to connect Android phone to computer. It's very simple, let's start. First plug your Android into your computer using a USB cable. You can use the same cable that you use to charge your Android. Tap charging this device via USB on your Android screen, select File Transfer under Use USB 4. This option allows your PC to recognize your Android as a hard drive. Wait while the drivers are installed. Windows will automatically install any necessary drivers to allow your Android to communicate with your PC. Open your Windows File Explorer. If you don't see a window that displays the contents of your Android appear automatically, you can press Windows key plus E or click the File Explorer folder icon in your taskbar to open File Explorer now. Click on this PC in the File Explorer window. You'll see this in the left panel of the File Explorer. Double-click your Android. It may only be identified by the model number. Browse your Android files. Now you'll see the files and folders on your Android in the right panel. If you have an SD card, you'll typically see two main folders, one for internal storage, these are the files saved directly to your Android, and one for your SD card. Eject your Android when finished. Once you're finished moving and accessing files on your Android. Okay, I hope you understand, so if you like this video please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching.